In this guide, you'll learn how to make a photo collage on iPhone. Let's get started. You can do this with just your iPhone and the Shortcuts app, which is already built into your device. Launch your Shortcuts app. Now navigate to the Gallery tab. Now search for Photo Grid. After it appears, click on the plus symbol given at the top right of it. After you see the check mark, hit cancel and go back to the main screen of the Shortcuts app by selecting Shortcuts at the bottom. Now that photo grid is added, select it and it will open up available photos on your iPhone. Choose the photos you want to include in your collage. You can add as many photos as you like. I have added 4 for this guide. Once you have selected your photos, tap Add and give it a moment to load. When the collage is ready, you can either share it directly by selecting the Share button at the bottom of the screen or save it to your gallery by tapping Save Image. The collage will then appear in your Photos app, where you can view or share it as you wish. That's it. Now you know how to make a photo collage on your iPhone using just the built-in Shortcuts app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.